Hi, welcome to the Jerry Lynch Show. This is the damage from the storm. This is a great big sign, Restaurant 99 sign. She's laying down on the ground, ripped out of the ground. Yep, so they're gonna have to get that replaced. Good thing there was nobody parked there. So there was no one hurt. That's a good thing. So anyways, I'm going to pick it up from here where we get up to Tim Hortons and show you a other sign. Hello guys, we got this great big sign by Sergio's. Tipped down, it blew down. So that's a great big heavy sign too. Yeah, I was just drove by Tim Hortons, there's no damage done. They got the sign cleaned up, so yeah, continue on. This is a other big sign, really big sign, tipped over. It's in front of Shoppers Drug Mart. Yep. We are up here to the second mall now. It's only signs tipped over though, there's no major damage, thank God. But this is what a hurricane force wind can do. That's what we got. We got a hurricane force winds up to 130 to 140 kilometers of wind. But it's after dying down here now. Thank God. It's only about 80 to 90 kilometers here now. Hey guys, look at the gas prices here. $1.92.5 for gas. Diesel is $2.02. 0.0. Crazy. Okay guys, we are soon heading into on a rocky road. We're in beyond Butlerville here now. Yeah. Some people told me there's a lot of trees cracked off in here. Let's go in, let's have a look. I don't know how much data I got left on my phone. It wasn't very much, so if it cuts off, sorry guys, if the video just abruptly cuts off. A lot of people telling me, be careful Jerry, the roads is horrible in there. Oh my God. Whoa. Look at that. Big potholes. If I say he's out in the ditch, am I right? If I say he's out in the ditch, yeah, that's a good one. Okay guys, we are officially in behind Butlerville. There's no more homes, only cabins here from here on in. There's no electricity in here. There's no electricity. There's no water. There's no shore. So we are off the beaten path. Here now. Oh, we got a bit of water here guys up on the road. Look, but that can easily be fixed because all is wrong. The ditch is not dug down low enough. If I had my shovel, I'll fix it. And a flood right here. Ooh, we got a few floods here, guys. Yeah, they must have the Tim Hortons sign moved. Okay, I see all the trees blew down and cracked off in here. Whoa! Holy moly! One right there is broke off. That one up right there. That one right there. Okay. Oh, crap, that's a big tree broke off. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to my video. Holy moly. Give me a second, guys. Be right back. Yep, I'm back here now. Oh, scraping the car. Okay, here's where it usually gets bad, but they got it fixed. The ditch is running good here. Oh boy, lots of water running through it. Holy shit. She never went down there that time. I'm sure I got that on video, that scrape. Oh, ow. Holy moly. Note to self, don't come in here fast or you won't have a car left. You will not have any shocks, struts, bearings, the plastic in front of your car. You won't have nothing left if you come in here flat out. If you think of anything, if you think anything of your car, you would stay off of this. But I'm only coming in here to show you guys what the road is like, and it's horrible, and I advise you to stay off of this with your car till the summer when they get this graded again. Excuse me. It stopped raining here right now. I'm recording this on a Sunday, so you guys are gonna be watching this Monday. Ooh, we got a little flood up here, guys. Look at this. Ooh, lots of water running there. Little flood there. Oh my god, I can feel my car sinking in the mud. It's not good. This guy here, he used to have his camper there. He got drove out of it. Used to be a camper there, but he got drove out of it. Wasn't a very good campsite. My god, look where he parked at. Sure is all water. He had a beautiful spot there to park in the water. He must have had rubber boots on all the time. Oh my god, so much mud. A lot of mud. Fact is, I don't really care about getting the car dirty. I don't want to get stuck. I don't want to get stuck way back here. Ooh, he's soft. Guys, it's really soft. Holy moly. Whoa. This road is super soft. If you're coming in here with a really big truck, try to stay off the edges. I'll give you guys that fair warning. Try to stay clear of the edge, because you guys are a lot heavier than me. It'll flood here. Nothing too serious. Oh my God. Yeah. Whoa, look at this. Whoa. We are almost, ow, oh me car. We are almost in as far as Tractor Road, Party Hill, or Clay Hump, whatever they call it. Can any of you guys in the comments below, who's watching this from the First Pond Road group, let me know what the name of this road is, coming up right here. You know, when you get in here and this guy's big old shed comes in view, right here, there's a road. Ow! My head, it struck my head the time. Can any of you guys tell me what that is? This road goes to the old track across from Tilton, right? So, can any of you guys tell me what this is? A lot of people call it Party Hill. A lot of people call it Tractor Road. I don't know. I honestly don't know what it's called. People call it Clay Hump or Clay Hill or whatever. Let me know in the comments, please, if you're still watching up as far as here. A beautiful cabin. We're getting into the cabins here now, guys. Jupiter Valley down there. Guys, my phone might cut off any minute or any second. Please do not feed horses. Okay, let us starve. There's no trouble with me. I got no worry about that. It's a big cabin. Oh. That's my friend lives in there. Not saying no names. And this right here, this here is a beautiful cabin. Right in front of me. This here is some motocross. They does all dirt bike tricks in here. They do tricks with dirt bikes and stuff. It's all fenced off. Yeah, it's Bucklerville Motocross. It's a big old parking spot here, boy. Oh, nice spot there to put camper. Oh. Nice beautiful cabin there. Nice beautiful cabin right there. Other one up there. Ooh, soft, soft, soft. It's been a long time since I did a really long video. Tree blew then right there. Cracked off. Alright guys, this here is as far as I'm gonna go. I don't know the Mercer's Road. I'm not going in there too much farther. Okay, I'm heading back out there again now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash that like button. I'm surprised I got almost 18 minutes out of it. Alright, I love you, Efren. Hope you enjoyed the video. Show your family. And I love the rest of you. Bye for now, everybody. Peace, love, and happiness.